Back out to that live look at Carver Park. There you go. Once again, another image that shows you just how much flooding is happening in that area there with the Clackamas River moving into Carver Park. There, signs underwater. We were just showing you those bathrooms that are underwater, reiterating that we do know that neighbors are telling us that they have seen water flood into their basements in certain pockets around this area. With that said, there are a number of level 3 go now evacuation zones in that area. If you are in Clackamas County, there is a 24/7 shelter now open by the American Red Cross at Clackamas Community College. Pets are very much welcome to go there if you do need. So we're going to keep an eye on those flooding conditions throughout the course of the morning. Of course, we are seeing other closures across the region. We have James Shippey in the Alert Center tracking that situation.